Hey there, skate enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights into the latest gear. Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in the skateboarding community. Introducing the Shark Wheel High-Performance DNA Formula Skateboarding Wheels. If you're a beginner looking to elevate your skateboarding game, listen up. These wheels are not your average set. They've been hailed as the best longboard wheels for beginners, and for good reason. Let's delve into what makes them stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk performance. These wheels are engineered to provide an unparalleled skating experience. Whether you're cruising along rough terrain or hitting the ramps, the Shark Wheel's innovative wave pattern helps you maintain speed while effortlessly deflecting debris and obstacles. And here's the kicker. They're made right here in the USA, using top-notch local materials. That means you're not just getting high-quality wheels. You're also supporting local craftsmanship and innovation. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Shark Wheel High-Performance DNA Formula Skateboarding Wheels are a must-have addition to your gear collection. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to smooth sailing on any surface. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments what product you want us to review next. Until next time, happy skating!